Once you have determined that a question is scientific, it is time to propose a hypothesis. A hypothesis answers a scientific question. It is a testable explanation that a scientist proposes and then investigates by performing experiments. Strong hypotheses are often described as testable, or falsifiable, or refutable. All three of those words mean the same thing: testable, falsifiable, or refutable. Basically, that means that if you were to carry out an experiment, you could gather data that would test out the idea, would be able to say, yes, this idea is correct, or no, this idea is not correct. After hearing this basic description, take a moment with your partner and try to define the word hypothesis in your own words. Once you've done that, then you should take out the next set of popsicle sticks and hide them from view. This time the words will say either testable or not, falsifiable or not, refutable or not. I'm now going to read a series of hypotheses to you, and you guys, just like in the last exercise, are going to, after you hear the hypothesis, pause the video, think to yourself for 30 seconds, whether it's refutable or not, get ready to hold up your popsicle stick, and then count down 3, 2, 1, both you guys hold up your popsicle sticks, see whether you agree or disagree, and then discuss based on whether you agree or disagree, and when you come to a consensus, record that consensus on your sheet. Okay, so here comes some hypotheses. First, is this a testable hypothesis? Mice require calcium for developing strong bones. Next, is this hypothesis testable? Dogs are happy when you feed them steak. Hypothesis letter C. An active volcano can be prevented from erupting by throwing a virgin into it during each full moon. Hypothesis letter D. Plants absorb water through their leaves, not through their roots. Hypothesis letter E. The earth was created by an all-powerful being. Okay, having considered those hypotheses, now look at the trends. Which of the hypotheses are testable? In other words, which of the hypotheses are good? What are the characteristics of a good hypothesis? While answering that question, keep in mind, a true hypothesis is different from a good hypothesis. A hypothesis does not need to be correct to be good.